Hi there, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how you can reinstall Windows 10 without losing any data. This guide will work on all versions of Windows, whether it's 32-bit, 64-bit, Home or Pro. I hope you find this guide useful. If you do, please help me out by clicking the subscribe button below. Okay, let's get going. So the first thing you need to do is if you insert the Windows 10 DVD into your system. So as you can see, I've got it here. If you don't have your Windows 10 DVD, you can go to this link, and if you click on Download Tool Now, download it to your machine and then just double click on the executable and you'll get the same screen that I'm going to show you in a minute. I'll post this URL in the description below so you can just click on it to download. So what we need to do is if you click on your CD drive and double click on Setup, it's going to launch the Windows 10 install program. So if I just show you here, so under downloads I've got 3 files here, got three downloads. Yeah, there's nothing that inside there. I've also got Google Chrome installed, so yeah, if you close all the applications down before you do this process. With the Windows 10 DVD, all the files are there on the DVD, so it's just going to prepare, which will take a minute or two, and then it will run the installer. If you're doing it from that tool that you've just downloaded, it needs to download, I think it's about 2.5 gigs, so depending on your internet line, that might take a while. But yeah, you'll come to this same screen. So if you get this, just do not now. And I untick that box, but it's up to you. You could even leave that, but that might take an hour or two to apply. It's just Windows updates. So click on Not Now, untick the box, click Next. Okay, accept. One thing before we reinstall Windows, you need to get your product key. So typically it'll be on the back of your desktop machine or your laptop. If it's not, I'll post a link to another video I've got that shows you how to export the product key directly from your Windows install. So make sure you get that before you proceed to this step. So here it can see that I've got Windows 10 Enterprise, and by default it's keeping personal files and apps. So if you want to change that, because maybe you want to keep your personal files but not apps, so if you click on here, change what to keep, and then you can completely fresh install, keep your files and apps. I'm going to show you this one in this video. I'd also recommend, even though you've selected keep your apps and personal files, I recommend that you would actually back up the files. So here I've got files under downloads. I'd recommend you copy and paste these. Maybe you've got a USB drive, but basically upload them to somewhere not on your C drive. Okay, so we're now ready to install. So if you click on the install button, I'm going to pause the video. This should take between 10 and 20 minutes. So I'm just going to pause the video and I'll come back when it's finished. Just wanted to let you know that the system might restart a few times and it's going to come to this screen that you can see here. This is the normal install process. If you do have any problems or have any questions about this process, please post them in the comment below and I'll be able to help you out. So I'm just going to pause the video again. Okay, it looks like the install's now finished. It's brought us to the Windows 10 sign-on screen. So if you just click the screen to sign on, notice it's got my previous account, the JSON account. It's going to be the same password as before. Because it's the first time that we've logged on after installing Windows, it might take a while to log on. Okay, we can see here it's been quite quick. We can see that Google Chrome's here, so if I double click on it, applications opened, it looks fine. And if we go to Windows Explorer again, if we go to downloads, Yeah, excellent. We can see those three files that I had there before. I updated this file with hello inside it as well. So we can see here that it's kept the apps, so it's kept Google Chrome. It's also kept the three files that we had on the C drive. So yeah, that's it. The process is quite easy, but if you do get stuck, have any questions, please let me know in a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.